Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing immediate obstacles. First, make a backup copy to a safe folder. Once done, right-click the file, choose Properties and unblock or clear read-only. Next, open Task Manager and end any stray WinWord, exe or Excel. Exe processes so Office unlocks the selection mechanism. You're clearing locks and preventing conflicts. Doing these steps first avoids cascading errors and preserves your data before deeper fixes. Now you address internal Office causes. Disable COM and Excel add-ins because they often intercept selection. Once disabled, restart Office in safe mode to test whether selection is still locked. If safe mode fixes it, re-enable add-ins one at a time to identify the culprit. If the problem persists, run a quick repair, and if needed, an online repair through your system app settings. These repairs restore corrupted components that block normal selection behavior. Finish by restoring user-level files and testing environment variables. Rename normal. .m for Word or remove custom Excel startup templates so defaults take effect. Once done, sign into a different Windows profile to rule out profile corruption. If a fresh profile fixes it, migrate your data. If not, uninstall and reinstall Office, then restore your backed up copy. Troubleshooting tip. If selection stays locked after reinstall, check antivirus or remote clipboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.